Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be learning the brand new Shawn Mendes song Nobody Knows for the acoustic guitar. We've got three sections: your intro, verse and chorus. Nice and simple, so let's get to it. So your intro section should sound like this. So the song is in 6/8, we've got 6 beats per bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to start on an F sus2 chord. So I've got finger 1 on B1 and finger 3 on D3. I'm going to strum it once and hammer on my second finger onto G2. Once I've done that, I strum it once more. Then we're going to take the middle finger back off and strum it twice. So then we change to a C chord and we've got basically the same pattern. I'm going to start off without my middle finger. I'm going to hammer it onto D2 and same strumming pattern, all as down strums. So both bars together. And if you find yourself catching the first string, the open first string at all, that's no problem whatsoever. Then into the verse, which is exactly the same chord progression, but this time 3 times around. And then we're going to do something slightly fancy on a G chord. So the whole verse should sound like this. So like I said, same chord progression 3 times around with the Fs and the Cs. And then when we get onto a G, we're going to do what I always call the country G. So we usually do a G chord with fingers 1, 2 and 3. This time we're going to skip finger 1. I'm going to be using finger 2 on A2, finger 3 up on the top string fret 3, and your pinky on the first string fret 3. So bar number 5 should sound like this. So we strum down, up, then down, up. On that last up, we're going to stick finger 1 on B1. So down, up, down, up, down, up. Into bar 6, we've still got finger 1 on just for 1 up strum, straight to a down strum. Then up, down, up, down. And then we're going to mute the strings for a dead stop there. So those 2 bars together. So onto the chorus, I'm going to play the whole thing for you. chorus. We're going to play an F chord twice. Each one should last for 3 beats. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Into a C chord, should also last for 3 beats. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to strum those last 3 beats of the bar, starting off in a full C chord for the first strum. Second finger comes off into C sus2 for the last 2 strums. So that line all together. Then we do something very similar. We're going to start the same with the F, 2 strums. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then when we change to the C, we're going to have a couple of extra strums. So bar number 10 will sound like this. So C chord, down, up, down, up. Then we strum it one more time with the middle finger on and then twice without. So bar number 10 should sound like this. Bars 9 and 10 together. Then bars 11 and 12 are exactly the same thing, your F chord to your C chord. Then we change into an E minor chord, which I'm going to do with fingers 2 and 3 here, both in the 2nd fret, 3rd finger on the D, 2nd finger on the A. We're going to do 2 strums, each one should last for 3 beats. Then I'm going to add my pinky onto B3 and do the same thing, 2 strums. So bars 13 and 14 together. Onto bar 15, we're going to do 2 strums of an F chord. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then bar 16, another strum on the F that lasts for 3 beats. Then we're going to have the 3 in a row where we're going to start with your middle finger on and it's going to come off for the last 2 strums. So bar 16 on its own. Bars 15 and 16 together. Then we're going to change back to E minor 7, E minor with the pinky on B3. Same thing as before, 3 beats for each chord. We're going to do it twice in bar 17 and then the first half of bar 18, another strum. And then here comes the tricky part. We're going to change back into your F triad. So I'm on 1, 2 and 3 on my B, G and D strings. Just 1 strum. Then I'm going to change essentially into a C chord but without my 3rd finger, and I'm strumming the same 3 strings as I was with the F, so your 2nd, 3rd and 4th strings. Then into your country G, don't really need the pinky this time, you can put it on anyway if you want, but we pretty much catch the top 4 strings. So bar 18 on its own. Finishing off on a C chord. So bars 17, 18 and 19 together. And that's the whole song. Let me know how you get on in the comments. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know if there's any song requests you'd like, and I'll see you again next time.